Hey everyone, I'm just going to show you how to use System Restore. System Restore is a good way to revert your computer to a previous state. Usually what happens is if bad driver, bad software, or anything else that doesn't work on your computer, you might experience blue screens or some other forms of just computer not working. Um, a good way to just fix this is using System Restore. It's built in every single Windows. Um, you can easily find it by going to the Start menu and just typing System Protection, and it should be created restore point. So this will open up a System Protection screen. This is where you can edit which drives you want to enable System Restore on, and then configure how long you want to keep the restore points, along with um, if you want to manually just create a new one or actually do a system restore. So if we go into system restore first, you'll see that in any type of scenario that you'll need to revert your computer, the system restore will show a recommended and choose different. So the recommended one is usually the last previous restore point created, last working restore point. Otherwise, you can go into here and choose a different restore point. So you can see it shows all the previous restore points. And if I click show more restore points, it'll actually show all of my restore points that I can have on my computer, and that's all configured using the configuring options of the restore point. So if we proceed with actually restoring the computer, we just go through the steps, and then it'll automatically just reboot and do the restore on its own. So I'm actually not going to go ahead with this, so I'm going to cancel. And then below this, you can see that which drives are being backed up for restore. So I have additional hard drives on my computer, but I only want the C drive to be backed up for restore point. So if we want, I can go and configure. And here you can see that I can disable, turn on system restore. Likewise, the bar allows me to change how long I want my restore points to save, or how much space system restore will use to save backups. So you can change this however you want. Just be aware of how much space is being used. So and if you want, you can also delete all the restore points and start fresh. And then if you want, you can actually go ahead and create a manual restore point. So I can just give it 21 at 2018, call it today, and then that's it. It will start creating a restore point.